Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 25 Kia K4. These are a relatively new model. I think they run from 21 up. If you could please subscribe, I would appreciate it. I'm going to make this fast and to the point. I like to make my videos relatively simple. I'm going to show you where the fuse boxes are. There's two. And where to find out what the fuses are for. So right here is a fuse box on the driver's side under the engine compartment. This hood is made of steel, so it is very heavy, unlike the newer models, which are made out of aluminum in general. But it was a little heavy. I just wanted to note that. And right here next to the battery is the fuse box. So we're going to squeeze this and squeeze that at the same time with two hands. Push it in. I already loosened it, so there's your fuse block. And if you look on the back side of this, it will actually show you what the fuses are for. And there we go, just give you a little sample. But you can look on your car and see what they're for. So you can also check the owner's manual, it'll have it in there. And the second interior fuse block is on the driver's side here. Go left of the steering wheel. Put a little light on. There's a little door here. People think it's a change door or something, but just pull on that. There is a little indication that it's a fuse. See that? You can barely see it. It's down low. Pull on that. And right in there is a fuse block too. And same as the other fuse block, you have a template that shows you what these fuses are for. We have it upside down there. Just give you an idea what they're for. So you can do the same with the vehicle you're working on, or you own, or whatever you have. So there are the two fuse blocks. And if you need to change a fuse, that's where you'll find them. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. I make them quick and simple so you don't see a lot of gibberish. And if you could subscribe and maybe share it with a friend, thumbs up, it will help me a lot. Take care, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.